Good evening. Hey, this is Gary White. Glad to see you all. Wanting to share about this video assignment. My favorite part of the funeral process to date is the arrangement conference with the family. I believe that it's one of the most fulfilling things that we can do is sit down with the family and truly listen to their concerns as well as the love that they had for the person that passed away. As you probably are aware, it's important and crucial that you have a licensed funeral director involved in that meeting, but my owners have been great to allow me to be a part of that. One of the things that we really enjoy doing is I've been trained in what's called the acute loss period. It's helping families understand the value of seeing their loved one last time. There's typically family members that need to say, thank you, I love you, I'm sorry, forgive me, appreciate what you meant to me, things like that, which really allows the healing process to begin that much sooner. It's important, we think, to present this in the early stages of the arrangement conference to let families know exactly what is available to them. We found that if a visitation is a part of the plan that they have, it's really an intentional plan to begin healing. When families choose not to do that, they're really putting up a no trespassing sign and not allowing people to be involved in that healing process with them. But when you set aside a time and a place, people will put their lives on hold and they will come and spend a few minutes or an hour or so with you. And that way, instead of having many funerals at the grocery store, at the ball game, when the kids go back to school and when parents go back to work, there's one funeral, there's one time that's set aside for people to be able to express their condolences. And that's a big part of the healing process. I've been privileged to be the celebrant for about 5 or 6 of the 15 conferences that I've been involved with, which really allows me to get to know the person who's passed away and how best to celebrate their life and their legacy, their family, the things that were important to them. So there's a lot of things about this job that's satisfying, but my favorite to date is the arrangement conference.